Erica Rusi Peterson with SpeakMethod.com. This lesson is on the O sounds of Standard American English. O has three basic sounds. The short O, ah, as in hot. The long O, as in coat. And the reduced O, which sounds like as in occur. You may need to learn this word by word because there are many exceptions. However, a few simple rules are: in choosing between short O or long O usually has a complex spelling, meaning that there is a silent letter nearby. In choosing if is possible, you can think about the syllables, because often this sound occurs on the unstressed syllable, though in this case there are some exceptions, especially among the common words. Let's use the list to practice. Remember, if you found this on YouTube, click the link under the video to read along. Let's practice speaking each row so that we make three different sounds on the O. Beyond, bone, above. Blog, bowl, blood. Body, bold, labor. Brought, broke, brother. Complement, comb, company. Conference, according, complete. Confident, course, country. Cost, cold, cover. Dog, don't, discover. Dollars, donate, develop. Holiday, home, honey. Involve, innovate, income. Job, joke, major. Loss, alone, tailor. Lot, load, love. Modern, motivate, month. Office, order, effort. Often, old, occur. Online, only, other. Possible, post, possess. Probably, probe, police. Problem, prose, procedure. Product, program, position. Profit, protein, potential. Rock, road, religion. Soft, scone, some. Solid, sold, solidity. Solve, social, society. Stock, stole, solution. Thought, though, thorough. toss, toast, today. Walk, war, work. Okay, that completes our practice with the list. These are common words and also words from lessons that students have asked about. So if you are not sure how to pronounce the letter O and you feel like the three sounds are difficult, just start with being good at all the words in this list, because this will give you a great start in speaking the O sounds. Okay, that completes this lesson. Learn many pronunciation rules at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.